Now we'll see next question. Complete the following sequence. First sequence is 1, 4, 7, 10 and it goes on. So they said to find out next two terms or numbers. So what we'll do, we'll find out the difference between two successive numbers or integers. Okay, so here the difference between two successive integers is 3. That means if I'll add 3 in the previous one, I'll be getting the next, right? If I'll add 3 in 4, I'll be getting 7. That is the next one. If I'll add 3 in the 7, I'll be getting 10. So similarly, if I'll add 3 in 10, I'll be getting 13. And if I'll add 3 in 13, I'll be getting 16. So here the difference between two successive integers is 3. That is 4 minus 1 is equals to 3. 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. Right? So the next two integers are 10 plus 3 is equal to 13 and 13 plus 3 is equal to 16. Similarly, see the next problem. See it one. Here sequence is minus 28, minus 17, minus 6. This number they ask to find out. 16. This number also they asked to find out, and then 38. So what we'll do, see here the difference between two successive integers is 11, right? That is minus 17 minus minus 28, right? So this minus minus will become plus. So minus 17 plus 28, that is equals to 11, right? Now see the next two numbers. Okay, minus 6 minus minus 17. We are subtracting the two integers, right? So minus 6 minus minus 17. This minus minus will become plus. So minus 6 plus 17, that is equal to 11. That means if I'll add 11 in this, I'm getting the next number. If I'll add 11 in minus 17, I'm getting minus 6, right? So if I'll add 11 in this number, I'll be getting 5, right? If I'll add 11 in 5, I'm getting 16. If I'll add 11 in 16, I'm getting 27. And if I'm adding 11 in 27, I'm getting 38. Clear? Now we'll see question number 7. Subtract minus 48 from the sum of minus 34 and minus 49. Alright. So whatever is coming after from, that will come first, as I said to you previously. Right. So sum of minus 34 and minus 49, will write it as first. So see, inside the square bracket, minus 34 plus minus 49. Okay, now we are subtracting, right? So here minus sign will come and the next number is minus 48. Now what we'll do, first we'll solve this bracket. Both these are negative, so we'll add them. 34 and 49, 83. But both are negative, that's why here it will come minus 83. So minus 83, this minus 48 remains as it is. In the next step, we are going to open these brackets. So this minus 83, this minus minus will become plus 48, right? Now this is negative, this is positive. So we'll subtract these two numbers, right? And the answer is 35. But the sign of this answer is minus. Why? Because 83 is a bigger number and the sign of bigger number is minus. So your answer is minus 35. Now we'll see question number 11. The sum of two integers is minus 15. If one of them is 8, find the other. Okay. See again. The sum of two integers is minus 15. One integer is 8. What is the other number? What is the other integer? So we'll consider that other integer as x. So let the other number or integer be x. So according to given condition, what condition is given? Sum of this number and 8 is minus 15. So x plus 8 is equal to minus 15. Now by using the law of algebra transposition, I can transpose this plus 8 on that side. So after transposition, it will become minus. So x is equal to minus 15 will remain as it is, and after transposition this plus 8 will become minus 8. Minus 15 minus 8. Okay. Answer will be minus 23. So other number is minus 23. Now we'll say question number 14. So I'll read that question for you. For morning walk, Amrita goes 8 km due south from her home, and then from there 10 kilometer due north in first round. If the end point of first round is the starting point of second round, and so on, how far and where will she be from her home after 5 rounds? We'll see what is given. Distance traveled by Amrita in first round is 8 km towards south, and from the same point 10 km towards north. See, here number line is there, right? Here 0 is there. On upper side all positive numbers, on downward side all negative numbers we are writing. Okay, so at 0 her house is there. She started from 0. Okay, so first she is moving towards south 8 kilometers, then towards north 10 kilometers. Got it? Such how many rounds she is going to complete? 5 rounds. So what is the solution? See, in the first round Amrita travels the distance from point A to point B, right? A to B, and then again point B to point C, where she reaches 2 kilometers towards the north. You can see here she is reaching 2 kilometers towards the north. So she had such 5 rounds. So 2 kilometers into 5 rounds, that is 10 kilometers, right? So what will be our final answer? Amrita will be at 10 kilometers towards north from her house. I hope all of you understood this, and try to solve the remaining problems by your own. If you have any doubts regarding this exercise, note it down and ask me afterwards whenever we'll meet. Thank you.